Hello friends, welcome to Mahesh Maths classes. We make it easy, you learn it quickly. Locus Part 2. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched Part 1. In this video, I am going to discuss textbook problems in that exercise 1A. So first problem, exercise 1A, first section, first problem. Find the equation of locus of a point which is at a distance of phi from a 4 comma minus 3. So let p x1 comma y1 be any point on the locus, and what is the condition is given? This distance of p from a 4 comma minus 3 is 5 units, means pa is equal to 5 units. So what is the distance between 2 points? So this is p x1 y1, and what is the point a here? 4 comma minus 3. So distance between these two is nothing but under root x1 minus 4 whole square plus y1 minus of minus 3, that is plus 3 whole square, equal to 5. Squaring on both sides, you will get it as x1 minus 4 whole square plus y1 plus 3 whole square is equal to 5 square. So expand this, x1 square plus a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is 4 square minus 2 into 4 into x1 plus y1 square plus 3 square plus 2 into 3 into y1 is equal to 5 square is 25. Now simplify this, x1 square plus 16 minus 2 4s are 8 x1 plus y1 square plus 3 square is 9 plus 2 3s are 6 y1, and send 25 to the left side, that is minus 25 equal to 0. Write all like terms together, that is x1 square plus y1 square. Next x1 term minus 8x1 plus 6y1. Now the constants 16 plus 9 25, minus 25 will become 0. So now replace x1 y1 by x comma phi, then you will get the equation of the locus is x square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y equal to 0. Next question. Find the equation of locus of a point which is equidistant from the points a minus 3 comma 2 and b 0 comma 4. So as usual, let p x1 comma y1 be a point on the locus. So what are the points given here? A minus 3 comma 2 and b 0 comma 4. And what is the condition? This point p is equidistant from a and b. That means pa is equal to pb, that is the distances of p from a and b. So if you square on both sides, squaring on both sides, you will get it as pa square is equal to pb square. So on squaring this, you will get rid of the square root in the formula. That is, what is the distance between p and a here? So generally it is square root of x1 minus of minus 3, that is x1 plus 3 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square under root. Now we are squaring here, so that is square is equal to, what is pb? pb is x1 minus 0 whole square plus y1 minus 4 whole square. This is under root whole square. So this square root square root. So from the next problem onwards, I will remove this root directly and write this. Whenever I am writing pa square, means we won't consist this root anymore. Okay. So now x1 plus 3 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square is equal to x1 square plus y1 minus 4 whole square. Simplify this, x1 square plus 2ab, 2 into 3, 6 into x1, 6x1 plus 3 square is 9 plus y1 square minus 2 to the 4 y1 plus 2 square is 4 is equal to x1 square plus y1 minus 4 whole square, that is y1 square minus 8y1 plus 4 square is 16. So both sides x1 square plus y1 square get cancelled. What is remaining now? 6x1 plus 9 minus 4y1 plus 4. Bring these two terms to the left side. It will become 8y1 minus 16 is equal to 0. Let us simplify. So x1 only one term is there, 6x1. Next y1 terms, minus 4y1 plus 8y1 is equal to 4y1. Next 9 plus 4, 13. 13 minus 16 is minus 3 is equal to 0. Now replace x1, y1 by x and y. Then you will get the equation of locus. That is 6x plus 4y minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Third question. Find the equation of locus of a point P such that the distance of P from the origin is twice the distance of P from A 1, 2. Let Px1, y1 be a point on the locus, and what is the condition given there here? That is the distance of P from the origin. So let the origin is O 0, 0, and it is twice the distance of P from A. A is 1, 2. Means the condition here is OP, the distance between O and P, the origin and P is twice, that is 2 times the distance of P from A, that is PA. So let us square on both sides, that is OP square is equal to 4PA square. Now OP, the distance between P and O. So what is P here? X1, y1. What is the distance between x1, y1 and 0, 0? That is clearly x1 square plus y1 square, because we won't have square root as we have squared here already. So 4 into what is PA square? The distance between P and A, that is x1 minus 1 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square. Now simplify this. X1 square plus y1 square is equal to 4 into x1 minus 1 whole square, that is x1 square minus 2x1 plus 1 square is 1 plus y1 minus 2 whole square, that is y1 square minus 4y1 plus 4. Now x1 square plus y1 square is equal to, multiply every term by 2. 4x1 square minus 4 2s are 8x1 plus 4 1s are 4 plus 4y1 square minus 4 into 4y1, that is 16y1 plus 4 4s are 16. So let us bring all the terms to the RHS. So you will have 4x1 square minus 8x1 plus 4y1 square minus 16y1. This 4 plus 16 will become 20 minus this x1 square, y1 square. We are transposing to the right side. It will become minus x1 square minus y1 square equal to 0. So 4x1 square minus x1 square is 3x1 square minus, see here, 4y1 square minus y1 square, that is 3y1 square. Next x1 term minus 8x1. Next y1 minus 16y1, and the constant term is 20 equal to 0. Now replace x1 and y1 by xy. You will get the equation of locus. Therefore, equation of locus is 3x square plus 3y square minus 8x minus 16y plus 20 equal to 0. Find the equation of locus of a point which is equidistant from the coordinate axis. Let Px1, y1 be a point on the locus. Now take the coordinate axis. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis and this is the origin. Now take a point Px1, y1 in the coordinate plane. Now what is given? The distance of this point from x and y axis are same. So this point is equidistant from x and y axis. So what is this distance? So this is nothing but it is x1, it is y1. So can I say, now consider this as m and n. Now m and n are equidistant from P. Means can I say Pm is equal to Pn? Yes. So the condition is Pm is equal to Pn. So can I say Pm square is equal to Pn square? Yes. So what is Pm now? It is x1. Therefore x1 square is equal to Pn is y1 square. So if I simplify, x1 square minus y1 square equal to 0. So if you replace x1 and y1 by x and y, you will get the equation of locus. So therefore equation of locus is x square minus y square equal to 0. Next question. Find the equation of locus of a point which is equidistant from a 2 comma 0 and the y axis. So let p x1 comma y1 be a point on the locus. Take the coordinate axis. So this is x axis and this is y axis. Take a point p x1 comma y1 in the coordinate axis. Now what is given? This point is equidistant from a 2 comma 0. So the distance from here to here. So a 2 comma 0. Next, this is the distance from y axis. So let us say this is m, and what is this distance? It is x1. Now what is the condition? This Pm is equal to Pa. Pm is equal to Pa. So can I say Pm square is equal to Pa square? And what is Pm here? It is nothing but x1 square is equal to what is Pa? The distance between P and A is x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square. So simplify this, x1 square is equal to x1 square minus 4x1 plus 4 plus y1 square. Both sides x1 square gets cancelled. So if you simplify this, y1 square minus 4x1 plus 4 equal to 0. So if you replace x1 and y1 by xy, you will get the equation of locus. Therefore the equation of locus is y square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Next question. Find the equation of locus of a point P, the square of whose distance from the origin is 4 times its y coordinate. So let us say Px1, y1 be a point on the locus. So here it is x-axis and y-axis. Take a point P x1 comma y1 on the plane. Now what is given? The square of whose distance from the origin. So this is origin 0 comma 0. Let it be O. And this is the distance from x-axis. Or you can say this is y coordinate. It is nothing but y1. So you can, what is this distance? It is OP. So what is the condition now? The square of whose distance from the origin. So that is PO square is equal to 4 times its y coordinate. So what is the y coordinate here? It is 4y1. So PO square is equal to 4y1. Okay, so what is the PO square here? Already they have given square here, so no need of squaring it again. So what is PO square? The distance between x1, y1 and the origin 0 comma 0. It is nothing but x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 4y1. So it can be written as x1 square plus y1 square minus 4y1 equal to 0. So if you replace x1 and y1 by x and y, we will get the equation of locus. So equation of locus is x square plus y square minus 4y equal to 0. Okay, next question. Find the equation of the locus of a point P such that PA square plus PB square is equal to 2C square, where A is A comma 0, B is minus A comma 0, and the value of a lies between 0 and c. 0 is less than modulus a is less than modulus c. So let px1 y1 be a point on the locus. And what are the points given here? A is a comma 0 and b is minus a comma 0. So what is the condition here? Pa square plus pb square is equal to 2c square. Okay, so here a is a comma 0, b is minus a comma 0. So p is x1 comma y1. So what is the distance between p and a? That is x1 minus a whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square plus pb is x1 plus a whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square is equal to 2c square, where c is some constant. Now simplify this. X1 square minus 2ax1 plus a square plus y1 square plus x1 square plus 2ax1 plus a square plus y1 square is equal to 2c square. Minus 2ax1 plus 2ax1 gets cancelled. X1 square plus x1 square, 2x1 square, y1 square plus y1 square, 2y1 square, a square plus a square, 2a square is equal to 2c square. So if I take 2 common on left hand side, x1 square plus y1 square plus a square is equal to 2c square. 2 is cancelled on both sides. So what is remaining now? X1 square plus y1 square is equal to c square. Send this constant to the other side. You will get minus a square. Now if you replace x1 and y1 by x and y, we will get the equation of locus is x square plus y square is equal to c square minus a square. So this is the answer. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share and subscribe my channel.